Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Nonghikai bat ki khna school ka Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School Shillong kile lekmen hadian makila yo ek result ka basngotna ka SSLC exam 8,000 hak bagani ka school kala yo ek kerdan Nyngkong tam hak top 20 hak result bala penmi minta ka sngi ka school Gorkha Pathshala kala yo laingut ki bawan hak kerdan top 20 kata Wangaal Lama ubawan hak kerdan Nyngkong dak ba yo sanspa prapusan mak Kadbau Aditya Thapa Uwan Hakakerdan Kebahnyo dah kebayo Sanspa Debu Kendai Mak Bat Usyarat Chetri Uwan Hakakerdan Kebapra dah kebayo Sanspa Debu Pramak Wangaal Lama Ubawan Hakakerdan Nyngkong Habakren Shikilat Patai Kubor Ulai thu bah usnam baladap Nonghikai kila snodiau namar bagi kena kimda pas bha kumta kila kren yaki kena kabala Ktah ayu Bat uladan ke jingtmu ban penkemen yaki Nonghikai bat dia ke skul Ulai thu ba umda penet jingmut bha ki jingpuli namar ba uperkhat ba uchang kelas dan uhab ban lekmen bha bat ki perlok hendai usdang ban puli bha ha ke selection bat ha ubnai no pra bat ha ukala lingkot hashwa ban sedang ke exam namar ba usngu thu ba ke exam SSLC kan wan tang shisian ha ke jingim ulai men siam ki para khna ba ki deban IT na do ka do nuat ba ke men siam ban krakot ulong ba ulong kum ki wei ki para khna namar ukwa ban im ke jingim ke bakmen hendai ulong ba de bandan kapor ban krakot hakapor badan kam ban kre bat ban lekmen hakapor ba de ban lekmen waditya thapa ubawan hakadan ke bahnyo ulong ba umpoi perkhat ba unpoi hakan ke kerdan namar ba umda penet jingbut bha hagi jingpuli kadba usyarat chetri ubawan hakadan ke bapraru ulong ba umda khmilenti than ban unpoi hakan ke kerdan hendai ukhmilenti ba unpoi khamshakman bat ule thu ba ujupulekot kumba prakanta hashba ubnai no pra
पूरे लो किसान के बाद अगली किला अभी सर चेक
What affect us? So throughout these few weeks, I have been pondering upon that, and that was my mindset all along. And I'm very thankful to God that I have received this great, this monumental, this result of such magnitude. And I'm thankful to everyone, my teachers, and my school that has given me everything, and my parents. That's all I would like to say.
Can you tell us timing to study?
Well, my timing to study, to be honest, at the starting of the year, when the result was out, our teachers were hoping a lot from our past seniors, and to see that they did not make it, it was very disappointing. And our teachers, they spoke to us in a very heartfelt manner, and that really hit me. And I was like, I'll do this for my dear teachers and for my dear school that has given me everything. I will surely give them a moment to celebrate. I was thinking that all along. But in the middle of the year, I was also thinking that this is class 10, my last year in school, so I should enjoy well with my friends. And in that moment, I was not that much up with my studies. I surely gave time to it, but I was not that serious. But when it really hit me was during the selection. I studied very hard, and in the last few days of December and throughout January, I really gave it my all. I thought that class 10 will only come once in a lifetime. So after I get my results, if I don't feel fulfilled by it, then what can I do? Because this moment is only coming for one chance in a lifetime. So I really gave it my all throughout January and the last December. I would like to say to everyone that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to doubt yourself. You can achieve anything and everything. You just have to give it your whole heart. And me myself, I gave it my all during the last few months. But of course, I had a vast knowledge of the topics. I just gave it my heart and soul during the last month.
Okay, in a day, how many hours you spend
Studying. Well, I would like to say to everyone that don't think of me as a topper or even as a nerd. I'm just like everyone. I just try to enjoy my life. I try to live my life to the fullest, and I try to excel. I try to live everything that I do. So everything has a time. So you have to study when you have to study, and you have to enjoy when you have to enjoy. My study schedule, it was not fixed. I'm not that kind of person. I just give it all when I have to. That's all. Most half also, it was that was catching up to me, but yes, I do. I also use social media and I also play games. But this in class, when the class 10 session started, I really love playing football and I also love playing mobile games. So, but I really thought that if I have to achieve something, I also have to sacrifice, because if I don't sacrifice anything, how can I expect something good? So I really gave up on playing football the whole year, and I also deleted all my games. But to keep in touch with all my friends and also to keep in touch with life, I use social media. But at the last few months, I just deleted everything.
So can you tell us when you study?
Yes, I would like to say that for examination, first what you have to do is know your books throughout. You have to study your books, because through the books everything will come. If not everything, almost 80%. So you have to have a vast knowledge of the topics from the books. You have to know your books through and through. Your books have to be a good friend of yours. First, you have to finish your books and you have to practice your writing. Then if we have a doubt somewhere, then we can look it up in social media. Everything is available. We can clear our doubts from there, and we have our teachers also. But I would like to say that self-study and proper guidance from valuable teachers and knowing yourself, discovering studies through yourself, through your books, self-study, I think that is the key. Well, to be honest, CM Impact Guidebook, I didn't even study much from there. I relied only on my books and my qualified teachers, and all the examinations in the school that were held. They all helped me hone up my skills, and they helped me in knowing what I lacked. So I studied the books throughout, and the same guidebook also, it helped. For pass marks, you can study, but if you aim for good results, you should always see your textbooks. The MCQs, I took knowledge from the CM Impact, and I just went through the question and answers that were in the CM Impact, but I think 20% it helped me. My favorite subject, to be honest, I don't like any subject, but I really like literature. I like English. I like, because literature, even in Nepali and even in English, the stories, they are not just plain lines. They speak to the soul. They teach us how to be human. Because you see, words that we have in our heart, we cannot say. Sometimes we cannot say. We cannot express it from our words. But when we write it, we can express it thoroughly. So I think I like literature, and I think every subject is good.
Next plan for pursuing, are you planning to pursue science or commerce?
Yes, that question has been eating me up lately, because I've been thinking about many things, but I can't really pinpoint what I want to do, because to be honest, to me, everything feels, most of the things feel narrow. It feels like a rat race to me. So I hope that what I really hope is that I can find my purpose in life and I can give my everything to it.
To be honest, I feel nothing. I hope my result to be much worse, but it's better than what I expected, and I'm very content with it. From the beginning of the year, I was very serious, very serious. By the end of December, I had finished my course 3 times, so I got overconfident, and amidst January, I started procrastinating. It was the time when I should have studied the hardest. So that is the reason why I am at the 8, or I might have gone higher. I used to study approx 8 hours regularly before December. So that was consistently 8 hours a day.
So when you start,
Initially, I only studied MCQs from the guidebook, but at the end of the session, I wanted to include all the question answers there was in the CM guidebook. So I started studying that. But at the end, I realized textbook is the best source to study from. And whilst November came, I started studying the textbook only. And it was not that I did not study online. I really relied on YouTube also. I used many various online sources to fulfill my learning. To that, I'd really like to pour my heart into it. I really like cooking. It's sort of my passion, and I see me being a future in the next 10 years. I see myself being a chef. Yeah, and I really love music, especially the old genres. And my next plan is to take science, and after 12th, complete it and pursue my passion. Who inspired me? Honestly, it was no person other than myself and my parents, and along with my teachers. In my family, I think so, I am the sole person who has been able to appear in the merit list, and I'm very thankful to God and all my teachers and school, including my parents, for that opportunity or handing it to me. And this was the force which drive me. I had to be the one who was there, who was above in my family heritage. That's what drove me. Yes, it does affect me. And what I want to tell to all the persons hearing, that procrastination is the cost of the life you want. If you don't sacrifice things to obtain the life you want, you will not have anything. So social media does very harmful effects to one, and I am a victim too. If I had studied a bit harder, the result, my outcome might be a bit different. That's what I would like to tell. And for results to come, you must sacrifice the thing which hold you back. I'm more than satisfied, but there is always room to improve. My message to the whole world is believe in yourself, and if you don't, then who else will? If you don't work hard, then who will? If not now, then when? If not you, then who? That's what I would like to say to the person hearing on the other side.
First of all, I'm speechless. I didn't thought that I would come even in the merit list, because actually my preparation during the exam times were really horrible. The only subject where I spent most times, like more than 5 hours, was SST, and other than that, in all the subjects I spent the maximum time as 43 hours. So I didn't thought that it would go in this way, but still. Actually, I didn't knew what was my percentage when I came inside the school. I just came inside the school thinking that I will get the result from here. Actually, the server was down, I guess, during the time when the result was out. So I thought that I would better come here to see the result. And when I come, all the teachers were just banging their heads on me like nothing. I didn't thought that I would come in the merit list, first of all. And at first I felt quite void inside me. But later when I knew that, I gave the 7th position, I thought like, bang.
So now,
First of all, it's not up to us that we should make the school proud, because like our school was already respected in the state so much. Almost all of the people inside in the state know the dynamics and other fundamental principles of Gwah Secondary School. It's quite a famous school in the entire state, so there was not much to for us to make proud of our school. Instead, I would like to say that we just repay the debt which the school paid us during our preparation times, during the classes, and right from the beginning. Actually, I'm not rightly studying here from nursery. I joined the school in class 4, and at that time I didn't thought that my bond with the school would get so attached that actually my study is quite pissed off, I would like to say, because it was upon me. If I would feel like I would like to study, I will study, and if I don't feel to study, I will never. My actually that's a harsh reality. I only study before exams, like before 2-3 days. I believe in not in mugging up things, but I believe in understanding the dynamics and the principles on how things goes around. What is the topic or the chapter is trying to understand us, and what the knowledge is.
By social media affect your studies?
Obviously, yes. Even I have an Instagram account. I opened it at the ending of class 9, I think so, and it really had a big impact on my life because whenever I used to sit down and go to study when I feel like the phone always comes in my mind like, no, I have to go to Instagram and I have to text my friends, send them reels, and do all the unnecessary stuff then.
So how do you adjust it?
Even I don't know how I adjust it. Actually, even during the exam times, I was using Instagram secretly. I just off the activity status and was pretending that I'm not using the Instagram account. The only thing I did was that I never sent the reels to my friends. I only watched the reels myself, and then just get the updates regarding the current affairs, what is going on in the world. Friends, first of all, I would like to say that you guys don't need to become perfect, because there's a harsh reality of life that no one can become perfect. Even the greatest of all men can have a small flaw in him. So perfection is not the key. The only thing is your consistency and persistency. So I would like to say that never give up in life, and don't think that even if you have not get the percentage like all the other students around you, you should not feel disheartened. You should always strive to go farther for your life. Be grounded. That's the main thing, and that's it.